Hey guys, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video of WordPress series, we will understand how to upload and activate your WordPress theme using cPanel. So if you are using WordPress website, then you are very much aware that how to install and activate a theme, that is to go in appearance and click on themes. So whatever theme you want to activate, just click on add new theme and you can search here out of available 5000 plus themes, that is 6392 to be precise at this moment of time, which are available on WordPress repository. But let's say you have some paid theme or you want some external theme to be installed, then in that case you can upload the theme. But if for any reason it is not working, then there is third method as well, that is using your cPanel. So for demonstration purpose, let me download a theme and it can be any external theme. So I will go to WordPress themes, themes, right? If I go to WordPress directory, so I am using the themes which are available on WordPress directory, but it is not restricted that you use only those themes. So here I will click on edit download button. So let's say I want to download this theme. So once it is downloaded, it will be downloaded in a zip file like this. So downloading is started and it is completed now. Once it is downloaded, I'll go back to cPanel, switch to file manager. And once I am in file manager, click on public_html. There is a folder called wp-content. Just open that. And here you will see themes. Just enter this folder and here you need to upload the zip file. So click on upload, select the file. Once you select the file, the uploading process will start. Once it is done, that is 100% complete. It will show you 100% and it is a green mark. Then click on go back. And once it is uploaded, right now it is a zip file. We will extract. So right click on that, extract now and click on extract files. Once the extraction process is done, you can close it and you can refresh the screen once. Now you can see the folder as generate press. Now in order to verify this theme, whether it is uploaded or not, come back to add themes. Now click on themes on the left hand side inside the appearance and you can see the generate press is there. By default, the uploaded theme is installed, but it is not activated. You can't activate a theme using cPanel. The only way to activate is by clicking on this button. So if I click here, you can see the generate press is activated. And if I visit my website, you can see the layout has been changed. So that's how you can upload and install a theme, WordPress theme using cPanel step by step. And guys, that's it for this video. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.